How to use auto clicker on iPhone. Now without any further ado, let's jump straight into the process. Open your settings app. Here we go. Scroll down, you can see the option of accessibility. Open it. Now from here you have to select this option of switch control. Open it. From here select the option of switches. Tap on it. Tap on add new switch. Select the option of screen. Tap on full screen option. From here select the option of select item. After you land to this page, go back. Tap on the option of recipes. Tap on create new recipe. And here you have to give a name to your auto clicker. Here I'm gonna give it as auto. Tap on assign a switch. Tap on full screen. Now here you have to select the option of custom gesture. Now here you have to tap or swipe to create a custom gesture. After you create it, tap on save. Now you can go back. And here you can see this option of launch recipe. Tap on it and set it to auto. Go back, again go back, scroll down. You can see this option of accessibility shortcut. Open it, scroll down and make sure you have set it to switch control. After you are done with this, you can close this and now open any of the app in which you want to try the auto click. Here I'm gonna open notes. Now how to try it? For that you have to triple click on your power button. And this kind of options will pop up. Select the option of switch control. Now your auto clicker has been enabled. You can just tap on the screen and your auto click will start. Here you can see that my auto clicker has been started. This is how you can easily use auto click on iPhone. Now to disable this, you have to click on your power button again for the 3 times. And now it has been disabled. This is how you can easily use auto click on iPhone. This was it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.